Hey guys, so I'm here with my son Alexander. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, and we're going to be working on the EcoBoost Mustang today. Here we go. The Orange Fury EcoBoost Premium Performance Pack Mustang. I've already done a little bit of things to the system here. So I've got the air raid intake tube, K&N drop-in filter inside that air box, obviously. The intake tube was a quick and easy install. It took about an hour and a half or something like that. But you know, the hardest part was getting the coupling that goes inside of here connected to the turbo. I also went ahead and installed the catch can, UPR catch can dual valve, and I got that all hooked up. So now the next step is the CV Fab full race intercooler, which should be arriving tomorrow. So we're just getting ready for the install, and going to be taking the bumper off today. And I got my little helper here, Alexander, to help me out. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, let's get to work. So I've got the radiator cover panel off. That was easy, just those couple of clips, and it pops right off. And underneath here, I've got the underbelly cover off and removed, so you can see there's the intercooler right here. The stock intercooler. And there's the clips and everything to get it removed. But one thing I wanted to show you was that it doesn't appear that my car has active grille shutters. I guess maybe that's a thing on the performance packages, I'm not sure. But basically, if you look up inside of here, you've got these covers, and there's basically nothing there. So it appears that if you have a performance pack, you don't have to go through that step of taking the active grille shutters off and the possibility of getting that engine code light. So just wanted to share that. All right, thanks a lot, guys. All right, so I got the bumper off. Just wanted to show what it looks like here. So just so you can see up in here, up in this area where the tape is, there's one of those little plastic deals, like those little push fasteners, those plastic push fasteners. You see it on the Mustang right here, on the bumper. So those things are kind of a pain. So what I did, I just used tape there and used a pry bar just to kind of pry the bumper down while I was holding it with my fingers to kind of guide it out. That seemed to work okay. And once that was loose, oh, of course, you know, you have to take the nuts off too. So I was just going in through this area right here with an extension, and I was able to reach the nuts and take them off, so I didn't really have to go through the wheel well. But you still have to go into the wheel well to take off some of these plastic pieces right here, because this one right here is actually attached to the bumper, or one of these, I forget which one it is right now, is attached to the bumper. So you have to actually take that off first, otherwise it'll snag the bumper when you're trying to pull it off of the car, and that wouldn't be a good day. So I just took the wheels off because I'm going to be doing some painting of the brake calipers anyway. And yeah, so that was basically it. The bumper came off pretty easy. Once all the bolts are off, it lifts right off the car. It's not too heavy. It's a one-man job. I mean, I did it by myself with the help of my little assistant here, Alexander. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
And now we got a bumper off of the car. Cool. So yeah, anyways, as I was saying before about the active shutters, I really don't think this car has the active shutter system. It has these rubberized deals, and those I think we can just pop off. And I think what we're going to have to do to put the new intercooler in is I'm probably going to have to modify that some way or cut around it or something like that to let it go up inside of there. I may just remove that whole flappy deal altogether and just throw it away or something, I don't know. But we'll see. It looks like it just attaches with these little things. So I'm just going to pop those off, and then I should be able to take that rubber piece off, and the same thing with the upper one. And then I think pretty much the intercooler is going to go right between this bumper and the radiator. And it's going to bolt down to these bolts right here. and on that side. And then the upper ones I haven't figured out yet, but I'm assuming there might be something underneath that trim piece that I got to take off or something. I don't know yet. Figure that out in a few minutes. Intercooler's out, so there's the charge pipe. Here's the map sensor wire harness. And as you can see, the charge pipes have clamps. So you can just kind of go right through here and put your socket on there. Same thing on the other side. I just went right through here, put my socket on there, and loosen the clamps, push these off. I'm not changing my charge pipes. And then I was just able to push up on it, release the bolt over here, and then on this side you just have the locking clip lever that goes in here, and then you just lift up on it and it comes out, and that's it. Pretty easy. So yeah, here's the stock intercooler. Pretty lightweight, chintzy plastic in tubes. Yeah, this thing is pretty despicable, to say the least. I'll show you guys in a comparison with the CV Fab when it arrives tomorrow. All right, see you then. Bye. And one of the things that we have to do is remove this piece that goes across the top here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit these pins from the top with a punch and a hammer and just pop them down, so that way I can get access to the underneath. All right, so let's get at it. Alright, easy as that, and now you can see it's loose. I'm going to work on getting this out, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, so getting ready to install the intercooler, and just wanted to show you I'm going to do the map sensor now. So just going to remove it from here, and I'm going to stick it on right over here. Okay. Alright, so here's the map sensor. It's got a little O-ring on the end there. Everything looks good. I'm going to stick it on the new one. Okay, so sorry about that, but I had the wrong screw. I was trying to use the factory screw, but apparently you need to use the screw that they supplied, and it has a little bit bigger of a star head bit, so you need to go the next size up. That's the difference.